Module 3 gives you the opportunity and the tools to do a deep dive into observations around your loved one's use, as well as their non-use. It is also the module with the most key observations exercises. Links to these key observations exercises are in the description blurb under the video segments. Exercise number 3 looks at what your loved one uses. Exercise 4 has you consider what the signs are of their particular substance use. Exercises 5 and 6 help you explore the external triggers and internal triggers leading to your loved one's use. Exercise number 7 asks you to reflect on your own reactions when your loved one is about to use. Exercise 8 looks at the positive consequences for your loved one of their use, and exercise 9 encourages you to look at potential positive consequences for you of your loved one's use. Exercise 10 looks at short-term negative consequences for your loved one's use, and exercise 11 looks at the long-term negative consequences. In exercise 12, you are asked to consider when are the times that your loved one does not use, and exercise 13 asks you to look at what you think, feel, and do when your loved one is not using. There is an important caveat, though, for any of you whose loved ones use multiple substances. Because our member website is currently unavailable, you will need to fill out one separate set of Module 3 exercises for each of the substances your loved one uses regularly. For example, if your loved one regularly uses alcohol and marijuana, you would fill out all of the Module 3 exercises for alcohol and then begin again for marijuana. It is important to be able to start teasing apart the different substances and the behaviors associated with each. Don't forget, you can fill these out on your computer after downloading them. And you could also print them and fill them out by hand. Either way, keeping a folder, whether virtual or paper form, of your completed exercises will be a precious resource for you going forward.